this is Akshita and today we are going to talk about moisturizer. What type of moisturizer, what type of skin, what type of season to be used in and everything. तो आज हम बात करने जा रहे हैं मॉइस्चराइजर, जो कि होता है फेस क्रीम। और फेस क्रीम आप कौन सी यूज़ कर रहे हैं, आपका स्किन टाइप क्या है, उसके बेसिस पे कौन सा मॉइस्चराइजर यूज़ करना चाहिए, समर में कौन सा मॉइस्चराइजर यूज़ करना चाहिए। तो इन केस अगर आप देखना चाहते हैं देन प्लीज़ कीप ऑन वॉचिंग एंड ऑल्सो गाइज प्लीज़ टेक अ मोमेंट टू सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल. I am new to YouTube. I am trying to upload my videos on everyday basis, but if I'm not able to do it, I'm so sorry because I'm just starting with it. Also, I'm trying new ideas, new ways to do it more properly, and I hope you guys like it. If you like it, please comment and subscribe to support me. And without any further blabbering, let's just get started with the list of moisturizers that we can use every day and every month of the year. तो इन समर्स आई लाइक माई मॉइस्चराइजर्स टू बी वेरी लाइट वेटेड. मैं चाहती हूँ मेरा मॉइस्चराइजर ईजिली डिजॉल्व हो जाए, एब्जॉर्ब हो जाए स्किन में विदाउट टेकिंग अ लॉन्गर टाइम एंड ऑल्सो हैव सम कूलिंग इफेक्ट्स. सो बेस्ट मॉइस्चराइजर दैट आई हैव लव्ड so far and used quite a bit to give my point of view are these. So let's begin with a random sequence. So I have recently discovered this one. This is Lakme's Peach Milk. So it's an ultra light gel which has a very beautiful fragrance. Of course, this range of peach milk has a very common fragrance of all moisturizer that they have. They have a peach milk and I think sunblock. I don't remember all, but they have a quite range of this range. But if you are someone जो कि fragrance से easily irritate हो जाते हैं, then I think you can take a skip on this step, on this moisturizer. But this moisturizer, guys, according to me, I am a very oily skin type. I really love it. It's very very smooth, soft, and gel based moisturizer which dissolves in your skin like a magic, has a cooling effect and I really love it. Also इसको यूज़ करने के बाद आपकी स्किन पे एक बहुत ही सिलिकॉनी सॉफ्ट टच आप फील कर सकते हैं अपने फेस पे, which is like unlike with any other moisturizer, of course, because it contains silicone. So this is how it looks in the tub. So this moisturizer particularly retails for 350 rupees, but I think on Amazon and on Nykaa you will get a discounted prices. So I will link द प्रोडक्ट इन द बॉटम बार. प्लीज़ आप उसे देखना ना भूलें. एंड इन केस अगर आपको ये अच्छा लगता है और लैक्मे के स्किन के प्रोडक्ट्स आपको सूट होते हैं, देन आई थिंक यू शुड गिव इट अ ट्राई. ओके, सेकेंड इन द लिस्ट इज़ माई फेवरेट. आई थिंक आई हैव फिनिश्ड 2 tubs of the same, and I'm talking about Pond's Ultra Light Gel. Oh my god, this smells like magic in the box. I really love the fragrance of this. It's ultra light and it's one of the best moisturizer to be used before makeup, and also the one I talked about just now, the Lakme one, is also good for to be used before makeup. So this I use specially before makeup and every day after washing my face or taking a bath. I love to apply this on my face, and also this is again a gel based formula, gets easily absorbed in my skin and has a very nice fragrance which kind of stays throughout, and very very mild fragrance, is not that hard. So I really love it, and also it works really nice on dry skin. But dry skin people might need to put another layer of other moisturizer because it's kind of very light, so might not work that good for dry skin types. Good purchase. And this also retails for 299, but you will get a discount on Amazon and Nykaa, so don't forget to check the link mentioned below. Moisturizer that I am talking about is, I never thought it will work that well, but oh my god. So I am talking about this Joyce Pure Aloe Repairing and Soothing Gel. Now this comes in a bottle like this. Of course, like I was very skeptical about this, but then I thought it's an aloe based gel based moisturizer, so I'm going to use it anyway in the summer because I am a ऑयली टाइप. बट ऑल्सो आफ्टर शावर मुझे बहुत ऐसा लगता है कि मेरे बॉडी में से सारा मॉइस्चर निकल गया है. देन आई लाइक टू रियली यूज़ अ मॉइस्चराइजर ऑल ओवर माई बॉडी. आई यूज़ बॉडी लोशन. समटाइम आई यूज़ दिस, एंड ऑल्सो दिस कैन बी यूज्ड ऑन योर बॉडी एज वेल एज योर फेस, सो दैट इज़ अ प्लस पॉइंट. ऑल्सो द फ्रेगनेंस ऑफ इट्स इज अगेन very nice, mild, and it retails for 249. Also is a good quantity to use. So all in all, yes, love this product. Do try this one, and it's under 500 and I think I'm gonna love it. So I'll link again in the description. Okay. So these were the products which I use mostly in summers because they are gel based, very light, and also doesn't have that stickiness or anything like that. So of course these which are gel based products might not work very well for the dry skin types because dry skin needs nourishment and moisture, thick moisturizer throughout the year because of the skin condition, otherwise they will flake out. So another one good for the oily skin types and all for the summer is this one by Plum. I really love this one. Has a very runny watery texture which quickly gets absorbed, and this is a mattifying moisturizer, so it controls your sweat. आपका sweat control करता है, आपको sweat आने से avoid करता है. तो before makeup in summer, I think this is going to be your way if you are someone as oily as me. This is a mini one, so I'm looking forward to buy again this one. Again, one of the mattifying moisturizer that I've come across is again from Plum. So I have been diving into Plum products and been loving them. It's called their Chamomile White Tea Sheer Matte Day Cream. Now this has a SPF of 50. So it's a very good moisturizer if I'm stepping out of my home. So I use this as a moisturizer as well as my sunscreen, 2-in-1 thing, and I really love it. Love the fragrance. Also I feel it's a little bit pricey, but जो दो का काम कर रहा है उसकी जगह अगर मुझे एक मॉइस्चराइजर में काम हो रहा है, then I think I don't mind investing into a good product. So again, love this. Okay. Now, so these moisturizer range are somewhere from mild to nice hydrating moisturizer that have worked for me and someone with the dry skin. I have experimented this product with the dry skin also, and I think it has worked very well. So next moisturizer that I'm talking about that I've really used, I have no idea, I don't keep a count because I have forgot my count of using this particular moisturizer, and this is from Garnier. It's called the Wrinkle Lift Swiss Apple Cell Extract Pro Retinol Anti-Aging Cream. But so these moisturizer range are somewhere from mild to nice hydrating moisturizer that have worked for me and someone with the dry skin. I have experimented this product with the dry skin also, and I think it has worked very well. So next moisturizer that I'm talking about that I've really used, I have no idea, I don't keep a count because I have forgot my count of using this particular moisturizer, and this is from Garnier. It's called the Wrinkle Lift Swiss Apple Cell Extract Pro Retinol Anti-Aging Cream. But believe me guys, I feel it's a very good moisturizer. I've almost finished this. There's just one use left, and I just love this cream. And you can use this cream before your makeup anytime in a day if you want to just have a nice moisturizer on your face. I think this is one of the best moisturizers that I've always come across, and I really like it. The sad part is कि इसका बड़ा टब नहीं आता, and I just hate that कि ये इतना छोटा सा पैकिंग में आता है, and I just end up using it in a 15 days time. I think 15 to a month hardly it stays, because of course I use it on a daily basis. So I switch my moisturizer morning से या evening में कभी कोई और something. So I don't have a particular moisturizer that time basis, but like I keep on using and switching in between. So yes, but all in all, good moisturizer under 500. Do check out. The next moisturizer is my recent discoveries. I'm still testing it, but as far as now, it's been a month and I have been using this almost on a daily basis and have been loving it. Doesn't have any fragrance or anything, good for dry skin as well, and as well as oily. I think works for almost all kind of skin types. Can use this throughout the year in all the weather conditions, and I'm talking about Aveeno's this moisturizer, which is a daily moisturizing lotion. I don't know why they write lotion, but yeah, whatever. I mean, it's again under 500, but this is 71 ml for 270 rupees. You will get some kind of discounts on Nykaa or Amazon. So I think if you are looking to switch your moisturizer, and if you are a sensitive skin, dry skin, or even if you're an oily skin and if you want a good face moisturizer that keeps you good for whole day, I think give it a go guys. It's nice. मेरे experience से अच्छा रहा, and even works for before makeup thing, skin preparations. Really like it. So the last moisturizer and my most favorite moisturizer of all time for every skin type, be it me, be it on my clients, be it on anyone. My mom, she has a sensitive skin. It works well for her. My sister, it works well for her. She's a dry skin and a very sensitive skin with a lot of skin issues. Works this as a magic. She uses even the lotion from the same range, which is for face and body, both. And I'm talking about Cetaphil. Oh my god, guys. I don't know if you are aware about this moisturizer or not, but this moisturizer is a magic. Believe me, if you are sensitive skin, if you are dry skin, then you are going to love this. आपको पक्का पसंद आएगा ये, क्योंकि मैंने एक्सपीरियंस किया है ये मॉइस्चराइजर स्किन में क्या चेंजेस लाता है, and I really love it. Really use it on others. बेफिक्र होकर यूज़ करती हूँ because it's very nice and doesn't really irritate your skin, doesn't give you acne or anything like that. Wow. Just wow. Also I would say थोड़ा सा महंगा लगता है मुझे ये, but under 500 again, and really love it. Do check out Cetaphil. Okay guys, so with that I will finish my all favorite moisturizer throughout the year, be it summer or all season types. I hope ये आपको information useful लगी हो, और in case आपको लगी हो और आप चाहते हैं कि मैं ऐसे ही और videos बनाती रहूँ, then please guys subscribe, comment and also like this video. It will mean a lot to me. एंड आप मुझे बताइएगा अगर आप कोई भी इसमें से मॉइस्चराइज़र यूज़ करते हैं, ये आपके लिए कैसा इफेक्टिव रहा, आपको क्या रिजल्ट्स मिले, और अगर ये आपको अच्छा लगा देन प्लीज़ मुझे आके बताइएगा कि ये मॉइस्चराइज़र आपकी स्किन के लिए बेटर वर्क किया. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग एंड आई विल बी बैक अगेन विद न्यू मोर वीडियोज़. टिल देन प्लीज़ टेक केयर. इट्स कोविड टाइम. टेक केयर ऑफ़ योर फैमिली. डोंट स्टेप आउट ऑफ योर होम इफ़ इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी. घर में रहिए, सेफ रहिए. टेक केयर. गुड बाय. सी यू ऑल लेटर.